Hello everyone. So this is going to be an unscripted Draga 1 based type video about this little gem. So this is a Siemens Nixdorf PCD-4ND audio. This is a very unique laptop. It was made in 1996, contains a passively cooled 486DX4 clocked at 75 megahertz, a 4 megabytes of internal, 4 megabytes of RAM with expanded 16 megabytes module, total 20 megs. 640 by 480 active TFT matrix, which is very, very beautiful. The colors are very good and very vibrant. And best of all, it's a 486 machine, but that's what makes it practically a unicorn. It has an ESS AudioDrive ES1688F, a sound card with OPL3 synthesizer that is SoundBlaster compatible, so it runs perfectly with all DOS games. So let's see what we have on the back. These are the specs that it was originally sold with: 20 megs, 800 megabyte hard drive, 10-inch TFT, 22.8 1.3 amp power adapter is needed, and the model is PCD-4ND audio. So when I got it, it was with a bad floppy drive, but I ordered a new one, so it has now a working one. The battery holds a charge for like 3 minutes only, but it can be easily rebuilt since it uses nickel metal hydride cells, so you can rebuild it pretty much with standard rechargeable, like IKEA batteries. The hard drive was removed and I replaced it with a 4 gig compact flash. Didn't have a proper spacer. Some cardboard. This is an industrial compact flash, 4 gigs, quite fast. Just put some pressure on it so it will not wiggle around unnecessarily. Right. This is the memory expansion module, a 60 meg card that makes this total of 20 megs RAM, which is pretty much sufficient to run DOS, Windows 98, 95. It's a bit, Windows 98 would be a bit too much for this, but probably would be best to use DOS 6.22 and a Windows 3.11. So this is the expansion module. That's an infrared port that has a external bus, a printer port, LPT port, VGA port, COM port. This is a microphone port. Okay, can be using this, so let's put it like this. Here we have audio in, audio out, PCMCA slots, floppy drive, and the best part, external keyboard and external mouse. Okay, time to open it. Plastics are a bit brittle, but the hinges are good. Yes. So we have a standard trackball, 2 keys. Underneath this, you can unscrew. German. Yeah, best of German engineering. Yes, we can actually see the Intel. Let me just passively cooled DX4 processor. Right. I have digged a bit deeper into this. I've replaced the BIOS battery with a standard CR 2032. And it has the SoundBlaster located here. I'll add some photos for more details. There we go. Okay. Fortunately, I don't have a standard power supply for this, so I'm using a Lenovo 20-volt with a standard barrel jack, which works pretty well. Regarding the audio, it has only a single mono speaker. So the best sound is with external speakers. We'll be testing that a bit later with DOS installation and with some games.